Magandang araw mga Lods, may ipakikita na naman ako na bagong dagdag sa koleksyon ko ng chrysanthemum. Ang isang ito ay may kulay na combination of pink and white, and makikita nyo na ito ay single petal like a daisy. There are actually 13 classes of blooms. Ito nakikita nyo na single petal lang siya. Chrysanthemums can bring you many good things as believed in Chinese culture. It is a symbol of longevity and good luck. Ang isa namang ito ay makikita nyo na may combination of red and yellow na type ng chrysanthemum. The primary meanings behind the chrysanthemum are happiness, love, longevity, and joy. It is also believed to have a strong yang energy. It can be used to attract good luck to your homes. In traditional medicine, it is also used to treat chest pains, high blood pressure, diabetes, headaches, dizziness, and more. So itong isa naman, yung old collection ko, makikita nyo yung mga petals niya, double petals siya, at saka yung color niya ay dark pink. Chrysanthemums also contain a chemical called pyrethrum, which is a natural bug repellent. So it removes toxins from the air and are considered a good indoor house plant. So, pwede ito sa bahay niyo, sa loob ng bahay ninyo. Madali lang itong alagaan at gusto ito ng sunlight at saka water. Yun lang mga Lods, sana nagustuhan nyo at follow for more.